Hello everyone and welcome to Blender Tutorial 2. In this session, we are going to get introduced to the user interface of Blender. So currently here we can see it's a splash screen. It shows the recent file which we have created or worked on, and on the left are the types of file for our users. First, general being the 3D file which we are going to use. Second is 2D animation. Third being the sculpting. Fourth, VFX, and fifth, video editing. So we can click on General for working on 3D. Soon as we click on General, we can see we have three different elements available on our 3D workspace. First being the light, second cube, and third is camera, which we can see is listed right top corner, and this is known as outliners. Outliner organize data in the Blender file, that is the scene data, video sequencer, or anything that gets sorted in a Blender file. So we can see all three objects listed in this. On the top, here we have menu, which is file, edit, render, window, and help. Next to it is different types of workspace, default being the layout, then modeling, sculpting, UV editing, animation, and we can select our layout as per the work we are going to do. Right now I'll keep it as layout, which is default. On the left side, we have our different types of tools. Here on the top are subheaders, which stays with the 3D workspace. This grid we can see is a 3D workspace where we can work, create any object or scene using the 3D primitives like cube and different objects. In the bottom, we have timeline. We can raise it up and we can say different frames. So this helps us create animation. On the right here, we have properties. It shows and allow editing of any active data, including the active scene or objects. So we have different types of properties. And here we have view cube. We can select this and we can rotate to tumble around the screen. So that's it for this video. In next video, we will learn about how to change the layout of active workspace. For more videos, do follow and subscribe. Thank you.